Alright, okay, let's just start this one. Okay, I want to do this to 1 over 3 equals to 7 power k. I know that this is 343 power minus 1 equals to 7 over k, and this is actually 7 power 3 minus 1 equals to 7 over k. 7 to the power k, so 7 minus 3, 7k. K equals to negative 3, so negative 3, done. So 40 seconds. Next, simplify this 2a, 3a over 8 minus a plus 2 over 4 equals to 3a over 8 minus 2 times of a plus 2 over 8, which is 3a minus 2 minus 2a plus 4 over 8. 3a minus 2a is equals to a minus 4 over 8. Okay, so this is 48 seconds. 48 seconds. A minus 4 over 8. Okay, 2b. 3a over 8. There is a hence. A over 0. Okay, okay, so that means I can simplify it and just let it be this thing equals to 0, a minus 4 equals to 0, so a equals to 4. So a equals to 4. This is, sharp, didn't keep this time. Let's stop. Next one. Okay, reset, start. 3a, solve the inequality. Okay, so I break it up into two parts. Another one is this. Okay, so this one becomes minus 6. Minus 3 is less than minus 2x. Minus 2x is minus 9. So divide both sides by minus 2. And then I must remember to switch side. So I get an x minus 9 divided by minus 2. So I get this 4.5. Okay, then this is it. The other side. 3 minus 2x minus 2x is this. 9 minus 3. So x, so both sides divided by negative 2. Oh no, must change sign, huh? So this becomes 6 divided by negative 2. X is greater equals to negative 3. Okay, so if I combine two answers, I get 4.5 more than x, and then x is more than or equals to minus 3. On the number line, this looks like x is smaller than 4.5, and wait, here, negative 3. X is smaller than 4.5, and x is greater or equals to negative 3. So it looks like this. So I say that x is between this and, oh wait, there is no this, so it's just 4.5. Okay, stop. 2 minutes 19 seconds. Okay, write down all the prime. Okay, continue, resume. Okay, to write down all the prime number that satisfy this. Oh, so between -3 and this, on the number line, we have, so -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, prime numbers are positive. So I start with 2, 3, and that's it. So there's two answers, 2 and 3. So this takes me 40 seconds. Okay, this is done. Next one. Let's check whether it's recording. What? Why? Oh, okay, it's recording. Good. Recording. Wow, this is... Okay, next one. This is done. Right, so this one. Let's start the time. Okay, so this is a Venn diagram, shows element. Okay, use one of the element. Okay, so number 3 is outside of C. So it is outside of C. Wow, this is tough. Okay, number B, let's B first. 1 is A intersect with B. The group that contains 1 is A intersecting B. It is part of the A intersect B. So it is part of, it belongs to A intersect B. Okay, good. C, A union B, which is the whole thing, union C, which is the whole thing, everything, and with that little dot over there, that means it's outside of the whole thing. So it is just the opposite of what I've shaded. Okay, and it is equal to nothing. Okay, because no numbers are there. Okay, let's go back to A. 3 is what? C. 3 is outside of C. So we have used up this thing. Okay, it is not part of C. Okay, done. 1 minute, 52 seconds. Okay, stop. Next. Number 5. Okay, so let's do it. 5. Anil draws this graph to show the number of students with curriculum. One aspects. Anil use smiley faces instead of rectangular bars to represent the number of customers. which may cause confusion that the area of the smiley face represents the number of customers. Okay, so let's continue. For example, in March, the number of customers is 50, while in January it is about 20. But the sizes of the smiley face in March is about 4 times of that in Jan. Okay, I'll leave my answer like that. Okay, I didn't time this. So time is don't know what. Okay, let's carry on. After this question, this one, let's start. Remember to start our timer. Start. Okay. A man normally takes 1 hour 45 minutes to cycle at constant speed from town A to town B. Oops. No. Time wasted. Okay, town A to town B. Alright, one day he increases his speed. By 5 km per hour and finds that the journey takes 25 minutes less than the normal time. He increased his speed by 5 km per hour. Okay, find his normal speed. So the normal speed let it be S, right? So we draw the triangle DST, right? Distance we do not know. But we know that distance is equals to speed times time. Alright. So the normal speed multiplied by 1 hour 45 minutes, which is 1 3/4 hour, it must give us the same distance from A to B. Now the speed is increased by 5, so S plus 5 multiply with 25 minutes less, which is 1 3/4 minus 25 over 60. Right, okay, so let's crack this thing. S plus 5, 1 3/4, 25 over 60 is, this is 5, this is 12. Okay, 1 3/4 minus 5 over 12, 1, 3 and 1 and 1/3. This is S plus 5, S times 1 3/4. Okay. I'm gonna move this thing over, so 1 and 3/4 divided by 1 and 1/3. So equals to S times 1 and 5/16. Okay. So 1 and 5/16 minus away S equals to 5. Alright, so it's okay, 5/16 S equals to 5. So that means S is equals to 5 times 16/5 equals to 16. Yeah, so S is equal to 16, so the normal speed is 16. So S equals to 16 kilometers per hour. Alright, done. Stop. 3 minutes 42 seconds. Okay, damn, I am slow. Ready? Let's start this one. Go. A shopkeeper bought a pair of shoes for $56. 15%. Even though he offered a 20% discount to his customer, calculate the normal selling price of this pair of shoes. So the cost is equals to 56. He offered a 20% discount to his customer. So he sold at 80% of the original selling price. Okay, sorry, the normal selling price. Okay, so 56 times, no. And he made a percentage profit of 15%, meaning that okay, so let the normal selling price be N. So 0.8 N is equals to $56 times 1.15. Yeah, because 15% profit. So therefore N is equals to 56 times 1.15 equals to divided by 0.8, 80.50. Okay, good. So the time 1 minute 55 seconds. Okay, stop. Next. Two similar cans have a total surface area of 40 and 90 respectively. The smaller can contains, they are similar, similar means same shape, contains 400 grams of beans. Okay, look at the amount of bean in the bigger can in the following way. Amount of bean in the smaller can is 40 times 10 is 400. Okay. So the amount of beans in the bigger can is goes. Let's see. So what they are saying is that. So what Jane is saying is that every cm square contains 10 grams of beans. No, not correct. Because the assume that beans mass is proportional to their volume. Assuming that beans have same density. Beans mass is proportional to their volume. Therefore, beans mass is not proportional to surface area. Okay, I can have a little bit of working here. The area of surface area of A, surface area of B is equals to 40 over 90, which is 4 over 9. So it means that the length of A over the length of B is equals to square root of 4 over 9. Okay, it means that volume of A over volume of B is equals to, okay, this is equals to 2 over 3, so equals to 8 over 27. Yeah, so this is proof not the same ratio as surface area. Okay, wow, this is long. How much time did I spend? What? This is so painful. Forgot to time. Okay, again, number 9. Please remember to time. Number 9, Alec has written out 6 numbers. The mean of these numbers is 4.5. Median is 5.5 and the mode is 6. Okay, mode is 6. The smallest number appears twice. Find the 6th number. So mean is 4.5. Okay, so total is 4.5 times 6, which is equals to 9 times 3, which is 27. Okay, and the mode is 6. The median is 5.5. Okay, so there are 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if the median here is 5.5, that tells me that this number is 5, this number is 6. Okay, or another case is that they are all 5.5. Another case is that 5.5 and 5.5. Okay, seems like they are talking about whole number, so I'm going to just ignore this. 5 and 6. The median is 5.5 and the mode is 6. So 6 appears more than one time, right? So at least we are looking at 6 here, at least. 27, so how many do we have already? 12 plus 5 is 12 plus 5, 17. So we already have 17. 17, so 27 minus 17, we are left with 10. So meaning that this thing and this thing must add up to be 10. Okay, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Can it be 7? So 7. If it's 7, then you have 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 7. Okay, possible. How about 6? If it's 6, then you are left with 4. 2 and 2 and 4. the smallest number appeared twice. So, and the smallest number is not the mode. So it means that the mode is 3 times. So this has to be 6. Okay, so this is out. And the smallest number appeared twice. So this means this is the answer. 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 5 and 6 and 6 and 6. Done. Okay, stop time. 2 minutes 39 seconds. Okay, good. Beat the clock a little bit. Next. Ready, reset, go. Factorize this. Wow, this is, I think this is 13 times 13? No, yeah, 13 times 13. So this 13 x square minus 13 square. So you get x minus 13, x plus 13. Okay, done. Quickly. X minus 13, x plus 13. Wow, okay. 29 seconds. Woohoo. Next, use your part to find the two factors of 731 that are other than 1 and 731. Okay, so I need to break this into something minus something. What is 731 minus 169? Hey, wait. So 731 equals to something minus 169. So it should be plus 169. 900. Okay, so 900 minus 169. All right. So to find the two factors, so this is actually 30 square minus 13 square. So 30 minus 13 and 30 plus 13. So we have 17 and 43. So 17 and 43. Okay, good. Next, stop. 1 minute 33 seconds. Okay, let's go back to this. This is 1 minute. I spent 1 minute 33 seconds on this. Okay, next. Okay, stop. Okay, reset. Next question. Start. One day Tom uses formula to estimate the air pressure different. Okay, so this is T is the temperature and H is the height. Okay, good. Aircraft records the temperature of -5. So that's the T, huh? Oops. So that is the T. Use the formula to estimate the height of the aircraft above the sea level. So I just substitute. T equals to -5. So -5 is equals to 21 minus H over 120. Okay, so H over 120 equals to 21 plus 5 equals to 26. So H is equals to 26 times 120. 3120. H is the height in meters above sea level. Okay, confirm, correct. This took me 1 minute 10 seconds. Okay, now B. Two aircrafts are flying at different heights. The difference in temperature at their different height at the two heights 10 degrees. So there are two height temperature. So temperature 1 is equals to 21 minus H1 over 120, and temperature 2 equals to 21 minus H2 over 120, the difference between the height. Okay, so we want to find H1 minus H2. Right, so temperature 1 minus temperature 2 means this thing. Okay. 10. Okay, now 21, open up the bracket, then we'll have 21, and 21 cancels away, minus h1 over 120, my plus h2 over 120 equals to 10. Okay, then combining, so h2 minus h1 equals to 10 times 120, so 1002. So the difference is 1002. Done. Okay, stop. So this is 3 minutes. So I used 1 minute 50 seconds. Okay, good. Reset. Next. A packet of sweets is divided between these 4 persons. 597. Okay. So I'm going to just write this. A, B, C is ratio 597. And if Carl is 12 more than Ahmad, now the difference is 2. So if it's 12, I need to multiply everything by 6. So I got A, B, C. So 30, 54, and 42. So now the difference between them will be just nice, it's 12. Okay, so this number represents the actual number. And Benny gets twice as many sweets as Dexter. So I need to put in Dexter now. So Benny, so Dexter is 27. Total number of sweets. Oh, so it's 30 plus 54 plus 42 plus 27. I forgot the time. $153 sweets. Gosh. 150. 153 sweets. Okay. Let's time this again. The number of sweets that Dexter gets. Shucks. I remember that everything times 6, right? Times 6, yeah. So 30, 54, Dexter is 27, this is 42. Okay, so this add up to be 153 in total. Number of sweets Dexter gets is 27. Okay, so this took me 33 seconds. Stop. Next. Reset. Start. Okay, Jane can varnish 3 jars in 5 hours. Jim can varnish 2 jars in 3 hours. Working together. So Jane can varnish 3 over 5 jars in 1 hour. Jim can varnish 2 over 3 jars in 1 hour. Okay, then they work together. So Jane and Jim will be able to do 3 over 5 plus 2 over 3 equals to 3 over 5 plus 2 over 3. 19 over 15 jars in 1 hour. Okay, so to get 20 jars done, right? Just have to find out this thing. So 20 times 15 over 19. So you get 15 and 15 over 19. Ah, 2 jars in 1 hour. Okay, so you have 15 to, this is the number of hours. Okay, so we know that there's 15 hours, and then 15 over 19 times 60 equals to 47 minutes to the nearest minute. So it's 15 hours 47 minutes. Okay, done. Stop. 2 minutes 37 seconds. Okay, next. Let's start. Okay, start. Club has 50 to 60 members. During a donation drive, each member contributes $12. Total proceed is shared equally among 14 children in the orphanage, with each children getting X dollars, where X is in an integer. So a few things, between $50 to $60, everybody contribute $12, and each child gets, there are 14 children, each child get 14. So the total amount collected is 14 times X. How many members are there? X is an integer. So if X is an integer, so the number of members times $12 must be equals to 14 times an integer. Alright, so we're going to see So if I bring it across to the other side, so the number of members divided by 14 times 12, it must give me an integer. So this number of members must be divisible by 14. So 14 times so look for multiples of 14. 14 times 4. Good. So 14 times 4 equals to 56. This is pure tikam. Alright, so find the value of X. The value of X is, so 14 times 56. Oh, no, sorry. A integer equals to number of so that, okay, so just basically just put this in 14 56 over 14 times 12, so it's 4 times 12, so it's 48. So $48. Okay, stop time, stop. 2 minutes 53 seconds. Okay, next. Reset. pause.